Okay, so here's some damage we're going to be taking care of here on this front bumper. Hit a high curb. They were driving, missing quite a bit of plastic right there. But then, as well as our bumper services, we also take care of wheel repair. This was curbed up pretty bad there. This is a pretty expensive wheel, this SRT wheel. Not too many companies can actually repair this. We're going to be able to make that look absolutely perfect. So here we are, we're back. Show you this wheel. We were able to totally restore the edge there, which was gouged up. And then we are also able to restore this body line. It was very gouged out from the curb. And we matched this color and refinished, clear coated, baked this finish on. Comes with a lifetime warranty.